Keto Chicken Enchiladas recipe, a low-carb delight. Craving the bold flavors of Mexican cuisine without compromising your low-carb lifestyle? These cheesy, saucy delights are wrapped in almond flour tortillas, making them gluten-free and perfect for anyone following a keto or low-carb diet. Let's dive into this easy recipe that'll satisfy your Tex-Mex cravings. Ingredients. For the enchilada sauce: 1 cup tomato sauce, unsweetened, half medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper, to taste. For the enchilada filling: 1 tablespoon olive oil, half medium onion, diced, 1 bell pepper, any color, thinly sliced, 1 pound cooked chicken, shredded. You can also use ground beef, fish, or plant-based meat crumbles, 2 teaspoons keto taco seasoning, or your favorite Mexican spice blend, 4 low-carb tortillas, store-bought or homemade, 1 cup shredded cheese, a blend of cheddar and spicy cheddar. Instructions. 1. Prepare the enchilada sauce. In a high-speed blender, combine the tomato sauce, chopped onion, minced garlic, ground cumin, smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Sauté the enchilada filling. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add diced onion and sliced bell pepper. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion starts to brown. Stir in the shredded cooked chicken and keto taco seasoning. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes until well combined. 3. Assemble the enchiladas. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish. Warm the low-carb tortillas briefly to make them pliable. Spoon some enchilada sauce onto each tortilla. Add a generous portion of the chicken filling. Roll up the tortillas and place them seam side down in the baking dish. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce over the top. Sprinkle the shredded cheese evenly. 4. Bake and serve. Bake the enchiladas for 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve hot, garnished with fresh cilantro or sliced green onions. Serving size. This recipe yields 4 servings, with each serving consisting of 1 enchilada. Adjust the quantities as needed to feed more people. Enjoy the fiery flavors. These keto chicken enchiladas are a fiesta for your taste buds. The almond flour tortillas hold everything together, while the rich enchilada sauce and gooey cheese take it to the next level. Note: customize your filling by adding diced avocado, jalapenos, or sour cream for extra flavor and creaminess.